Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to True Wealth. Warren Buffett owns a wide variety of businesses through his massive conglomerate, Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated. He grew the failing New England textile company into a booming enterprise with a market cap of over $526 billion as of September 2018. Berkshire Hathaway has an amazing range of businesses under its umbrella. Buffett is a master at acquiring and running profitable businesses, from the company's core insurance company to Dairy Queen and furniture stores. Buffett is also one of the most successful investors in history with his value investing style. Buffett is not trying to gain short-term bumps in stock prices with his investments. Rather, he views buying stock as acquiring an ownership interest in the business for a company. Here are 6 bizarre toys Warren Buffett owns. But before we start, I'd want you to hit that red subscribe button to enter a monthly shoutout giveaway. Just comment down below saying I subscribed and we'll enter you into the giveaway. Good luck! Number 1. Warren Buffett's house is the object of endless fascination when people learn about him, and for good reason. Buffett is one of the richest people in the world. Therefore, it's always surprising to learn that he's lived in the same house for most of his adult life. Looking more closely, Warren Buffett's house can teach you a lot about success and what's important in life. Warren Buffett bought his house in Omaha, Nebraska in 1958 for $31,500. The house is stucco and has 5 bedrooms and 2 baths. Buffett has called his house the 3rd best investment he ever made, behind his only wedding rings. Number 2. Generally regarded as the most successful investor in history, Warren Buffett may have a financial worth of $88.4 billion, but he's famed for being frugal. However, in 2014, his daughter reportedly told him it was embarrassing to see him driving around in his 2006 Cadillac DTS. He sent her out to choose a new car for him, and she came back having reserved a Cadillac DTS from a local dealer. Buffett and his daughter were so impressed by the experience with the dealer and the car that he sent a letter to praise the General Motors chief executive. Number 3. Geico. Yes, that little green gecko works for the Oracle of Omaha. As a student at Columbia, Buffett bought his first share in Geico stock. Buffett told the New York Times that in 1951, that when he was 20, he invested more than half of his net worth in Geico stock. In 1996, he acquired the remaining outstanding shares of Geico that Berkshire already did not own, and the insurance company became a Berkshire subsidiary. And here's a fun fact for you. Geico is an acronym for Government Employees Insurance Company and was founded in 1936. Number 4. Duracell. In 2014, Buffett purchased Duracell from Procter & Gamble in a tax-efficient structured transaction. As part of the transaction, Berkshire gave P&G, which owns some of the world's leading consumer brands such as Tide and Crest, $4.7 billion of P&G shares and committed to invest $1.8 billion into Duracell before the transaction closed. Buffett purchased Duracell for its steady and predictable cash flow. One of these standard characteristics he looks for in a potential acquisition targets. Number 5. See's Candies. Buffett purchased See's Candies in 1972 for $25 million. Buffett bought See's Candies because it fit one of his investment mantras: buy commodities and sell brands. While many of the ingredients in candy are commodities such as chocolate and sugar, Buffett believes that commodities-based companies can raise prices over time once they build customer loyalty. According to Fool.com, in 1972, See's sold 17 million pounds of candy, and by 1984 that number has grown to 25 million pounds, a gain of roughly 50%, yet it went from having 31 million in revenues to 136 million, an increase of roughly 300%. In 2011, Buffett said California-based See's had generated 1.65 billion in total profit since he acquired the company nearly 40 years ago. Number 6. Fruit of the Loom. Michael Jordan may wear heinous, but Warren Buffett is sporting Fruit of the Loom. Founded in 1851, Fruit of the Loom also includes multiple brands such as BVD, Spalding, Underoos and Russell. Berkshire purchased Fruit of the Loom for $835 million in cash in 2002, nearly 3 years after Fruit of the Loom filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. While the company previously faced manufacturing and inventory issues, Berkshire has turned the business profitable again. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Also, watch the 2 videos that you're seeing on screen right now because I'm sure you love them. With that said, I'll see you in the next video.